Well, hello again, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, well, today I'd like to sing a song for you about a local character called Billy Bug and his experiences at Gwylfa Hiraethog, the haunted house on Denbigh moors. And it goes something like this. Take it away. What are you doing?
You said take it away, I did.
I didn't.
You did.
Well, yes, I said take it away.
You said take it away.
Look, I didn't mean take it away.
You said take it away.
I don't care what I said, it's an idiom, man. What's the matter with you? I can't sing without a microphone.
Well, in future, you want to say what you mean, don't you?
You took, man. There's something drastically wrong with you, do you know that? Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go again with the Ballad of Gwylfa Hiraethog. Take it away. Let's just sing a song. Billy Bug went out one night thirsting for some beer. But the landlord of the hand said, Billy, get you out of here. We know your type, we know your sort, you're nothing but a clown. That's why you've been banned from here and every pub in town. So now not only thirsty, but really miffed as well. He screamed out to the landlord, you all can go to hell. I know that I've been banned all round, but that won't get me down. If I can't get served in Denbigh, I'll just go out of town. Gwylfa Hiraethog, Gwylfa Hiraethog, the haunted house on Denbigh moors. He stomped off down the Smithfield Road and headed for the moors. He was going to the Sportsman's Arms where he'd get through the doors. Because they didn't know his face or know that he'd been banned, and so he'd get some beer there. At least that was the plan. But even good plans fail sometimes, as everybody knows. And sad to say for Billy Bug, his plan was one of those. The pub was shut, the landlord gone on holiday to Spain, leaving poor old Billy Bug freezing in the rain. Gwylfa Hiraethog, Gwylfa Hiraethog, the haunted house on Denbigh moors. He needed to take shelter from the rain and from the fog. And on the hill behind the pub was Gwylfa Hiraethog. Don't go near that haunted place, said a little inner voice. But now it was persisting down. He felt he had no choice. He curled up in the ruin to shelter from the rain. But out came ghosts and skeletons, he screamed as though in pain. They then increased in number, so whirling around his head, they finally scared the boy to death. Yes, Billy Bug was dead. Billy Bug now haunts the place where he had died of fright. And if you ever go there on a dark and rainy night, his thirst is still haunting him, and there's one thing you can bet, you'll hear old Billy's plaintive cry. Is the Sportsman's open yet? Gwylfa Hiraethog, Gwylfa Hiraethog, the haunted house on Denbigh moors. Gwylfa Hiraethog, Gwylfa Hiraethog, a haunted house on Denbigh.
Bist rhythmisch, man.